good.
Oh, gross.
It's so bad.
Oh.
Hey guys.
It like all felt really real for a second.
It is real! Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the kitchen, Della cooking with Remi.
Yes, hello.
Also, I was like, do we address the fact that we are sexy chefs today with matching lingerie?
Yes, well, I think they can see for themselves.
So we are sexy chefs in the kitchen. I want to be very clear that we're not cooking a single thing in my video because that's just not what we are known for. But I'm a decent drinker.
Me too.
I'm a decent drinker.
Me as well.
And we're gonna make some Halloween spooky season shots and beverages. Please drink responsibly if you are of age.
Yes.
I've got some fun drinkies planned for us.
I'm excited and nervous, and my tummy already hurts.
I know. I'm like concerned, just the contents of both of our videos, that this is not gonna fare well for either of us.
Yeah.
I have a meeting in 4 hours.
Okay. So the sooner we drink, the sooner you can sober up.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. Hello, Messias from the future. Streamcraftopia, October 7th, which will be past that right now. So Streamcraftopia on HBO Max. Yay! Okay, so the first shot is a candy corn shot.
Okay.
Rem hates candy corn.
So good.
And like, I could eat candy corn.
It just like mushes in your mouth. There's the monotony of the flavor.
Great word.
Thank you so much.
Monotony.
I don't love it. I would eat it if I had to.
Well, but you're about to eat it.
But I'm gonna eat it because I have to today. So here we go.
I can eat candy corn at literally any point of the year at any time. Okay, so I have been, and we've decided the word is infusing because no one likes the word fermenting and marinating. So we've got candy corn infused vodka, which I have been brewing myself at home.
How did you make it? Did you just put candy corn in the vodka?
No, it was a recipe. I swear it's part of the recipe.
Okay.
So it's cake flavored vodka and then candy corn.
Gross.
I thought you were a vodka bitch.
I am, but not flavored.
Okay, so this has been brewing for a little bit.
Okay. Is it orange? Is it supposed to be orange?
Oh, it's
okay.
orange.
Okay.
It's orange. So the goal is supposed to be a tiered shot of candy corn vodka, pineapple juice, and then whipped cream. Do you want to take a sniff?
Yeah, I do. It smells like expo markers, doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah. It's like if you breathed in a permanent marker and then a candy corn right after.
Oh my god, I almost gagged. I actually almost gagged.
So I'm gonna strain out the candy corn that has been.
Oh, I'm so curious what they look like.
Oh, they look nasty.
I wanna see.
That looks not
It's like
as gross. I thought
kind
it
of
was gonna be.
viscous.
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 You're on a roll with these good words
Thank
today.
you, SAT. Ew, is it
Ew,
chunky?
it's so
It's
chunky.
chunky. Ah! Ew, that is so gross.
And then there's supposed to be like a very specific way that we have to pour the pineapple juice in so it doesn't mix. So
I'm grabbing a spoon. Yes.
Do you know how to do this?
Spoon. I think I could maybe do it. Yeah.
Great, we're gonna allocate that job over to
Okay.
you.
I mean, it is cute. It'll be really cute.
It looks cute, right? I think so.
What if it's delicious and we want to make more?
Well, bitch, we got
a lot. I'm nervous.
It's gonna be great. You've got this.
No, I don't got this. I don't got this.
Some of the reviews, and kind of like a bot review being like, this recipe was so great. It worked out so great. Looked exactly like the photos.
Me with Cooking with Remi reviews. Are we getting anywhere?
No.
Oh, like a little smidge.
It's like a smidge.
Is there not right?
Is it not right?
Yeah.
We also might just be like giving ourselves a little too much credit here.
So I'll just pour this in then.
Yeah, just
there
give
we
us
go.
a little, just give us a little mix.
Scored. Candy corn, cake vodka, and pineapple juice. What did I do to make you hate me more?
That's a cute
It
little
looks
dollop.
it looks really cute. Oh my god! Oh. You're gonna take the whole thing?
This will have to be 2 for me, I think.
Oh, me too. I have a very small mouth. Do you have a small mouth?
Yes. Okay, ready?
Oh my god. Kind of delicious.
Bitch, that's good.
That was good. Not me being a little brat the whole time.
The whole time.
Wow. It just tastes like a smoothie. Like I'm sitting on a beach.
Like a violent smoothie.
Yeah. A smoothie that woke up and chose violence.
How are we feeling?
My tummy's warm. My butt cheeks are warm.
My butt cheeks are airy.
They're heating up.
Breezy. That was not offensive.
No.
It was really not offensive. For all of the drama before.
I know, I'm sorry. The theatrics really they came out and I was proved wrong. And I apologize for that.
Apology accepted. Next up we have a Jello shot, a caramel apple Jello shot.
I do like caramel apples and I do like Jello shots, but the last time I had a Jello shot, insert picture here, I did wake up in New Orleans with my lymph nodes swollen and I looked like one of those dogs that ate a bee. But I'm okay. It happens often.
Okay. I haven't had a Jello shot since like high school.
Oh, high school. Were you partying in high school? Oh, but you can.
Yeah,
in Canada.
Well, I mean, legal drinking age is 19, but like in high school, you're like basically there.
Is that what you tell your parents when you're like, Mom, basically I can?
Gail bought me alcohol.
When you were of age,
When I was of
right?
age in a healthy and safe environment at the
when she
right
was
age of legal
supervised.
19.
Yes, Gail's always doing it right.
Gail's a rule follower. Okay, so this requires cooking, so I'm gonna let you take most of the reins on this.
I can do that.
So we're gonna need some gelatin, Granny Smith apples, caramel vodka, again with the whole flavored vodka situation.
I didn't even know that existed.
Smells weird. Were there soft caramels? Oh, and apple cider.
My favorite! Okay.
Yeah. It's got all the ingredients to be really good. Remi's Drunk Kitchen, bitch! Alrighty, bitch, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm very excited to announce that we have a hot plate on set because this is cooking with Remi, and obviously, because I was really like, how are we gonna hide the butt cheeks when we have to do things on the stove back here?
Just heat behind you.
Whisking with this back here. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in half. Danger, danger.
Great job.
Jeremy gets so mad when I cut things like that.
Why? Let her live, Jeremy.
Yeah, let me live, Jeremy.
Gorgeous.
So now we core the inside so that it's like a little nesting spot for the thing.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna do just under a cup of apple cider. I love apple cider.
I was just telling my vlog this morning, I am such an apple cider girly.
Full pack of gelatin, give it a little sprinkle, and then 2 minutes.
We let it bloom.
That's what I learned!
Look at her blooming.
Bloom away.
She's looking gorgeous. She's
Bloom
flowering.
away.
She's ready for
I'm
springtime.
gonna put the caramels in for 2 minutes. Oh my god, you have the wildest microwave in the entire world.
I hate this microwave. It hits me in the pelvis at least once a day. Wow.
I love how you're like acting impressed as if you haven't like whisked a bloom gelatin
I don't really work
before.
with gelatin very often.
It kind of smells good for a second.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, alcohol in.
We put the caramel in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yum. Wow.
And then this is freaking genius. Shout out Pinterest. You just use
They always know.
a muffin
Cute.
tin. And then also like, you know how you can use lemon to like unbrown your
Yes,
apples?
yes.
Little spritz. Yeah.
Yum. Great job.
You do the bare minimum in the kitchen. Go on,
I'm impressed.
queen.
That's more than bare minimum. That's kind of a lot of work. I think.
I'm gonna safely transfer. Oh my god, actually you safely transfer. That was really good.
Ooh. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh. Spooky.
If you're familiar with the Jello shot process, into the fridge for 4 hours, and we'll be back. And we're back with Jelloed apples.
Yay.
They're like feeling pretty like
Solid.
like that feels like a Jello shot.
Yeah.
This is kind of like
I
a
get it
reverse
now.
candy apple.
Yeah.
Right? Like caramel on the inside.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, it looks good. Cute.
Oh, bitch.
Wow.
That's a caramel apple. Reverse.
It smells like caramel apple.
With a little side of bad decisions.
Regret.
Oh my god, okay, moment of truth.
I'm like curious if the Jello is gonna be kind of, you know, it gets a little gritty sometimes. Let's see. You just bite. Okay. Oh, gross.
So bad.
Oh. It's like really jello-y. I feel like I can't explain it well, but it's not like it's not like a smooth Jello. It's like a very like maybe too much gelatin.
Ugh.
You know what I mean?
Ugh.
I'm trying to break it down. She's just gagging.
That is truly offensive to every part of my the body and soul. How does it taste without the
It's
apple?
not that bad without the apple. The apple makes it worse. It's not good, but it's not bad.
Ugh.
Should I toss these?
Yeah, those are gone. Okay, so coming off of that big L that we just took, I don't think this can go wrong. Like, I've never had a bad Bellini.
It's either gonna be really good or just okay. I don't think it can be bad anymore.
Okay,
It can get worse.
Okay, so we've got raspberries, water, and sugar
Yum.
for our pure.
It Is this like a puree that we're making?
Yeah, and then
Ooh.
half cup of sugar, which I have conveniently brought here from my
Just
home.
sugar, people. How fancy. We're making it from scratch. Raspberries have so many seeds, you have to like get them out.
It's not a sieve, and it's not a sieve.
Yeah.
What is that? How do you say it?
Sieve.
Wish I have one. I brought
sieve.
one.
There you go.
Except for I was Googling a sieve. That is a puree if I've ever seen one. I haven't really, so is it?
I don't think that's a puree.
Okay, so cocoa powder and cornstarch, and then 1 tablespoon of water.
Ooh, it smells chocolatey.
It smells
so good. She's getting thick.
She's getting thick. It cools, and then we sieve. That is the funnest little contraption.
How nice. You need one. They're great.
We sieve.
We are going to sieve.
We are going to
cool.
sieve.
Oh, ah!
Is this not how you sieve? This feels really liquidy though. Can you put more cornstarch in if it's cold though?
Yeah, I think it should be fine.
Wow, cooking.
Cooking.
What a world. Okay, we've got raspberries, cocoa powder, lime juice.
Okay.
Just realized that that's the fruit puree.
Yes, that's
And
why.
that over there that we just made is the bloody rim.
Please zero in on my face when you were like, this is my first puree, and I was like, not gonna burst her bubble.
Now we rim dip.
Oh, gotta rim it, yeah.
Gotta rim it.
Mm-hmm.
Blood drippies.
Ooh. Oh my god, that looks really good.
Fun.
This is so cute. The silence, I know, concentration.
This can't taste bad. There's just no world where this isn't gonna taste bomb.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, perfect amount. Great job, Lauren. Wow.
We love an accurate recipe.
Gorgeous. Now, you would pay like $20 for this at a restaurant when you can make them at home.
Wow.
Wow.
And fun. Take a little gummy thing.
Oh my god, I love a garnish. I do love a garnish.
I love a garnish.
Very cute. Do we taste test?
Yeah, shall we?
Okay. Cheers. I taste nothing but Prosecco, but it tastes good. Are you sure we're not supposed to mix it at all?
I mean, we can give it a little mix. I feel like it'd probably be better if we did a little mix.
Much better when you
Much
mix.
better. Okay, here's your garnish back.
Thank you so much. It's good. Kind of a lot of work though.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah,
I feel
it's
like
fine.
the amount of work was not worth this. I recommend the shot at the beginning though.
Such a hater.
We started really strong.
Oh my god.
I'm eating my words now. I would have another one right now.
Oh my god, look, it looks like I actually am bleeding. Have fun. Okay. Well, on that note, we're gonna continue drinking and move right on into our next video, Remi's Drunk Kitchen.
Yes!
What are we making?
I actually don't know. That's the whole point. I'm supposed to be surprised.
you don't know?
No, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I have no idea.
Oh, dear Lord. Okay, pray for us. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you over in Remi's video. Streamcraftopia! Streamcraftopia! This will be out when Craftopia is out.
Oh my god.
Streamcraftopia!